Maraming salamat, RNG Upholstery. Sulit, worth it, lahat ng sinasabi niya totoo. Legit na Italian leather. As in, napakakapal talaga, leather na leather. Wala akong masabi, talagang comfy kami pag nag-travel kami ng family. Salamat, RNG Upholstery.